you haven't filed taxes in the past year or two, you may be wondering how to check the status of your stimulus payment. In this video, we'll discuss how non-filers can use the Get My Payment tool to check the status of their payment and what you need to know to ensure you receive your payment. What is the Get My Payment tool? 300 words. The Get My Payment tool is a tool provided by the IRS that allows individuals to check the status of their stimulus payment. It's available to all taxpayers, including non-filers, and it provides information on when the payment was sent, the amount of the payment, and the payment method. How to use the Get My Payment tool 500 words. To use the Get My Payment tool, you will need to have a few pieces of information on hand. First, you will need to provide your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number (IDN), as well as your date of birth and mailing address. If you have filed taxes in the past, you may also be asked to provide information from your most recent tax return. Once you have this information, go to the IRS Get My Payment tool webpage and click the Get My Payment button. You will be prompted to enter your information, and once you do, you will be taken to a page that provides information on the status of your payment. If your payment has been sent, the page will provide information on the payment method, such as whether it was sent by direct deposit or mailed as a paper check or debit card. If your payment has not yet been sent, the page will provide an estimated payment date based on the information you provided. If you encounter any issues while using the Get My Payment tool, such as a message that says payment status not available, this may mean that the IRS is still processing your payment or that you are not eligible for a payment. Important things to know for non-filers. If you are a non-filer, meaning you did not file a tax return for the past year or two, there are a few important things to know to ensure you receive your stimulus payment. First, if you are a Social Security recipient, you do not need to take any action to receive your payment. The IRS will use the information on file with the Social Security Administration to automatically send your payment. If you are not a Social Security recipient, you will need to use the non-filers Enter Payment Info Here tool on the IRS website to provide your information and ensure that you receive your payment. This tool is designed specifically for non-filers and allows you to enter your information, including your Social Security number, name, address, and dependents, if applicable. It's important to note that the deadline to use the non-filers Enter Payment Info Here tool has already passed for the first and second stimulus payments, but it may be available again if a third stimulus payment is approved. The Get My Payment tool is an important resource for non-filers to check the status of their stimulus payment. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that you receive your payment and stay informed on when to expect it. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out to a trusted financial advisor or tax professional for guidance.